Since you guys have been asking, I'm going to give you a cost breakdown on the Coop build. Just a reminder, I bought the plans off of Etsy from Coop and Garden Farm. I have them linked right over in my site. The plans are on sale for $15. Okay, before I give you all of the price breakdown, let me just preface this. I have all of these tools on hand, so I am not including the price of tools. This is just for everything that went into the Coop, but you don't need anything special. A circular saw and a drill will go really far with this. For lumber, I spent a total of $387. That includes all of the plywood that I used for the walls and the floor, support beams, the frame that it's sitting on, everything that's wood. For hardware, I spent $277. Hardware includes all of the screws and the hurricane ties that I used for the roofing, all of the brackets, the latches, and the hinges. And then I spent a total of $208 on supplies, which includes stuff like the paint, spray paint and plexiglass for the doors, liquid nails, the roll of flooring, and just the little odds and ends. And lastly, I spent $162 on the roofing materials. I did not include the lights, but I bought those off of Amazon and they're linked in my storefront. So the grand total comes to $1,034. I do shop mostly at Lowe's. I get a 5% discount with my business card. So if you add that back in, it comes to about $1,086. I know that there are definitely cheaper options to get Coops. This was a challenge I was willing to take on. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.